I have been consuming 2 cloves of garlic per day in the hope of reducing high blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood glucose levels. However, after consuming it for a month, there seems to be no significant effect on my health condition. I am wondering if the claim that garlic can help reduce high blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar is true or not. Are there any suggestions or recommendations that can be provided by a doctor or health expert? Many people recommend consuming 2 cloves of garlic per day as it is believed to promote good health. However, if consumed improperly and in excessive doses, it can result in side effects such as bad breath, bloating, discomfort in the upper abdomen, and even body odor. Therefore, it is important to be cautious and pay attention to the proper dosage when consuming garlic, in order to avoid negative health consequences and obtain its health benefits. Garlic is well known as a seasoning ingredient in food. However, lately garlic has become a favorite for improving body health. This is due to the presence of allicin antioxidant compounds contained in it, which are very beneficial for health. Therefore, this time I want to share about the benefits of garlic, the scientifically proven dosage, and the correct way to use it. In addition to allicin compounds, garlic also contains high nutrition such as manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, fiber, calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin B1. Is there any proven benefits of garlic? Improve the immune system. In a large 12-week study, it has been proven that consuming garlic supplements daily can boost the immune system, especially in fighting against influenza or colds. The study results showed that garlic supplements can reduce the risk of catching a cold by 63% and shorten the duration of flu symptoms by 70%, from 5 days to only 1.5 days. Therefore, when experiencing coughs and colds, especially during the rainy season or weather changes, consuming garlic can help improve the immune system. Reducing high blood pressure. Consuming 600 to 1,500 milligrams of garlic supplements can effectively reducing high blood pressure for a period of 24 weeks, as effective as the drug atenolol. If you have a risk of high blood pressure, you can try consuming 4 cloves of garlic per day regularly. Additionally, regularly consuming about 500 milligrams of garlic supplements per day can also help lower LDL cholesterol levels by 10 to 15% and reduce the risk of heart disease. Can help prevent Alzheimer's and dementia or memory loss. Consuming garlic extract regularly, around 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, can help prevent Alzheimer's and dementia or memory loss. This can increase the body's antioxidant enzymes, reduce oxidative stress, lower the risk of high blood pressure, and reduce the risk of brain diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia through the combined effect of reducing cholesterol, blood pressure, and providing antioxidants to the body. Can significantly improve bone health. A study on menopausal women found that a daily dose of 2 grams of dried garlic extract can significantly improve bone health by reducing signs of estrogen deficiency or menopausal symptoms in the body. This decrease in estrogen deficiency can prevent the onset of osteoarthritis in women. Lowering lipid levels. Regular consumption of 500 milligrams of garlic extract for 3 months can help reduce lipid levels in 160 type 2 diabetes patients by reducing symptoms of dyslipidemia due to decreased serum cholesterol and triglycerides. In addition, regular consumption of 300 milligrams of garlic extract twice a day for 12 weeks can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol levels in 70 patients with high cholesterol. Reducing the risk of getting cancer and fighting cancer. Many studies have been conducted on cancer patients, such as breast cancer, stomach cancer, esophageal cancer, pancreatic cancer, colorectal cancer, and colon cancer. Observations were made for 6 months to 9 years when patients regularly consumed garlic with a dose of 200 milligrams twice a day up to 400 milligrams twice a day. The results showed that garlic can reduce the risk and severity of cancer and increase antioxidants in the body to fight cancer effectively. Although the mechanism of action has not yet been discovered, garlic is considered very good for cancer patients. Helps reduce the risk of severity of heart disease. In many studies, garlic is used for patients with heart problems. Its use includes doses ranging from 400 mg to 1,200 mg twice a day for 3 months to 12 months. The results show that garlic can help reduce the severity of heart disease, improve heart endothelial biomarkers, reduce the progression of heart disease, and even reduce the risk of platelet blockage in the heart area. Helps reduce high blood sugar in diabetes patients. From 20 diabetes patients who consumed 3.6 grams of garlic per day, or about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic for 30 days, the results showed a decrease in high blood sugar levels and fasting blood sugar. So, if you are at high risk of high blood sugar, start trying to consume garlic extract. However, it is important to remember that if you have a specific illness or even a severe chronic illness, it is better to consult with a doctor before deciding to use garlic as an additional therapy. Some frequently asked questions are why, even though they eat garlic every day added to all dishes, there is still no effect on their body. Of course, this can happen because they may be consuming garlic incorrectly. Here's the explanation: garlic is considered a superfood because of its allicin content. Unfortunately, raw garlic does not contain any allicin at all. How can you get allicin from garlic? Allicin only appears when garlic tissue is damaged. In fact, allicin is produced as a form of garlic's immune defense when attacked by pests or rodent animals like rats and grasshoppers. Therefore, if you consume whole garlic directly or chew it, the allicin obtained is not optimal. The best way is to crush the garlic until it is completely mashed, then wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the allicin in the garlic to come out maximally before consuming it. One thing to note is that allicin will decrease by up to 90% when heated, such as when cooking, frying, sautéing, microwaving, or freezing. Therefore, the best way to consume garlic is in crushed form when it is still raw. However, consuming raw garlic can sometimes be unpleasant and cause a burning sensation in the mouth. This can be overcome by consuming garlic extract directly or by putting it into a capsule and swallowing it. In addition, garlic can also be mixed with honey or sprinkled on bread to reduce the discomfort when consumed. By regularly consuming garlic in these ways, the effect of allicin on health can be more optimal. However, it is important to remember that garlic should not be consumed excessively, and it would be better to consult with your healthcare professional first. After learning about the various benefits and proper ways to consume garlic, hopefully this information will be beneficial for our health. Don't forget to always consult with a healthcare professional if you have certain medical conditions before consuming garlic regularly. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.